How to replace a zip tie. Cut off your string, double it up, thumb and index finger here, spin around. You want to get that. See that? That's what you want. Okay? And then lay it over your cable. Bring your two ends up through. Okay? And you tighten that down. Get all the slack out of that loop that you made. All the slack. Don't be afraid to tighten it down. It won't cut into the cable. Alright, and then on top of that, you're going to make, let's like a square knot, simple knot, just so it doesn't, the loop can't back out, and then trim it.